very strong winds around, and the strongest of those winds are going to continue to blow across Lincolnshire and East Anglia during the rest of today, with some damaging gusts of up to 70 miles an hour. Now, through this evening and overnight, we will see those winds gradually easing down, but at the same time the winds will be building across Northern Ireland and the western side of Scotland. In fact, the wind is going to play a very important part in the weather for the week ahead. Always some fairly strong southwesterly winds across Northern Ireland and Scotland, whereas lighter easterly winds across the southern parts of England and Wales. So those light southeasterly winds will be drawing cold, dry air in from the continent, whereas those southwesterly winds will be throwing warm, moist air up across Northern Ireland and Scotland. Now, the low that brought the wet and windy weather overnight is gradually going to move away in the next 24 hours. High pressure takes over tomorrow in the south, and it's going to stay there for the rest of the week. And that high will mean that any Atlantic weather systems are going to be held up across Northern Ireland and Scotland. Today, though, it's the wind that's important, and that strong wind on the eastern side is going to make it feel as though those temperatures are well below freezing. And we could well find the cloud and the rain lingering on that eastern side of England, perhaps even some sleet and snow over the North York moors and up on the Pennines. Elsewhere across the British Isles, well, a lot of dry and sunny weather, but there will be a few showers scattered around these northern and western coasts and hills. Now, tonight many of those showers will disappear, and underneath clear skies down through the spine of the country, I think we will find a widespread frost, and these lighter winds in the south could lead to some patchy fog as well as that frost. Tomorrow then, a bright start for England and Wales, and a bright, dry day, a lot of sunshine around. But for Northern Ireland and Scotland, it's going to turn out to be a wet and a very windy day, with the winds touching gale or even severe gale force at times along the more exposed coasts and hills. But temperatures generally very close to what you'd expect at about this time of year. On Tuesday, we'll find a band of cloud and patchy rain over northwestern parts of England and Wales, up through Northern Ireland, across the eastern side of Scotland, but that rain will fizzle out through the day. And then for the rest of the week, that's Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, very little change in the picture. Remember that mild, moist air across Northern Ireland and Scotland, bringing some wet and windy weather. Further south, clear skies, a lot of sunshine, but also very cold with frost and fog around.